Hi guys, welcome back to this amazing channel. So this is Leleshwa Getaway. So we have amazing things lined up here, and I'll give you direction to where Leleshwa is. So yeah, hang around here and let's see how the day ends. Leleshwa Getaway.
In whatever you do, I love you, Daddy. Wherever you are, remember me. In whatever you do, I love you. You left for the city many years ago. Promised to come back and take care of us. Many years have gone by now. Still no signs of you. Daddy, yeah. Mother died of a heart attack many years ago, when she heard that you were married again. Now I'm the only one left in this family. Now I'm the only one left in this family. Daddy, wherever you are, remember me. In whatever you do, I love you. Daddy, wherever you are, remember me. In whatever you do, I love you.
Hey, this is good.
So restaurant, swimming pool, gardens, kiddie park, bird sanctuary, accommodation, tortoise garden. This is the reception. Upstairs.
Yes, upstairs.
Hi.
Ini ni gani?
DJI
DJ
Pocket, yeah.
Pocket. Video quality yake kwaje?
4K.
4K.
4K, 2K. Where are we going?
Nasema wanasikia baridi hapo, twende hapo chini.
Haya, wacha nichukue tu kwa clip up. You're feeling cold from here?
No, not cold, but we can't stretch it. We can't stretch it.
Of course, yeah. Leleshwa Getaway.
There is a small grass field over here. Can we go over there?
You want to swim?
No, you think he actually made a books? These are all the things that are you going to stand here? If it's tight, man.
You better put your body and move your cup. You can't feel with this body. Every run, I'm gonna love.
Mambo.
Yeah, it is.
The public swimming pool, eh?
Ha? Oh, unataka watu wa stretch hapa eh?
Wa stretch kidogo.
Ndio wakule, si ndio?
Watu wa play, food will be ready in a few. Hiyo barabara si mchezo. Hiyo road is.
Imagine tunarudi nayo tena hivyo hivyo.
But si place si mbali.
Si mbali, ni barabara mbaya.
Barabara ni mbovu. This side. Oh, so we go there. Yes, we go there after lunch. So, clockwise. You can move it anyhow. Clockwise. Let's go 9. Let's go 10. Give me your right hand up here. Yeah, your right. This way. Let's try a 360 around weight. Yes. Let's try it out. Let's go 1. Let's go 3. Let's go 3. 4. Let's go 4. 5. 7. 10. So let me teach you a counting game. We are counting 10, 10, 10, 10. Right? So we are counting 1. Let's go 1. With the normal. 1, 2. Yeah, your voices. Are you got hand? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go now 9. Let's go a little bit of more speed. Not too much. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go 8. More speed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. More speed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, shout your name. You're not going to shout it again.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2.
I want to hear your name.
1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1.
So hands akimbo once more. Hands akimbo. So say as I say and do as I say. Say as I say and do as I say. So you have to say and not just say. I'm just giving instructions. So you have to say and do. Say and do. Say and do. Remember, I'm not doing, I'm just giving. Yes. So let's go jump in this way, out is that way. Right, left. Right? Let's go again. Let's go. Jump in. You have to jump in.
I did.
Did you say or did you whisper? Jump in. Say as I say and do as I say.
Okay.
Say and do. Say and do. Akili na mwili. Haya. Let's go jump in.
Jump in.
Jump out.
Jump out.
So jump in.
Jump in.
Jump out.
Jump out.
Jump in.
Jump in.
Jump in.
Jump in. I win. No, you
Aya, you lose. You lose.
I was in.
Did she move?
No, she didn't move.
Listen, you said in. You were in. How to move? You go in again. No.
Yeah, you move in again.
You keep moving in.
So let's go jump out. No, jump out.
Jump out.
Jump out.
Jump out.
Jump in.
Jump in.
Jump out.
Jump out.
Jump out.
Jump out.
Jump out.
Jump out.
Jump in.
Jump in.
Jump in.
Jump in.
Jump left.
Jump left. It is left.
Yeah, you are correct. You win. The left is on this side. So let's go jump left. Jump right.
Jump right.
Jump right.
Jump right. Jump left. Jump right. Jump left. Jump left.
So let's change the game. Let's change the game. Say as I say, but do the opposite.
I know.
Don't tell the examiner what yeah, this is hard. Yes. Say as I say, but do the opposite. So say the right thing, do the wrong thing. Say as I say, but okay. Those who were in Oxford University, and those who were in the Polytechnic. Higher, let's go. Jump in. No, jump in. You have to say as I say, but do the opposite. You have to say and do the opposite. So let's go. Jump out. Jump out.
Jump out.
Yes.
I said jump out by jumping.
Jumping. Yes. So let's go jump in. You are just like me. Make a decision. Take a risk. Make a decision. Ukisema ni kwenda ni kwenda. Yes, let's go. Jump in.
Jump in.
You are walking, not jumping. Let's go jump out. Jump out. Jump in. So much is going through your head. So let's go once more. Jump in. Jump out. Jump left. You are wrong.
No, you are wrong.
All right. One more time. Let's go jump right. Yeah, jump right. Jump right. Jump left. You are cheating. So let me take you to where Now we can clearly say that we are getting everything from the sources out to the host. Okay, there are various scenarios. When turns to the right, turns to the left, jumps over a barrier, right? We are not jumping. Jumps over, jump over a barrier, jump over someone. So, when you jump over a barrier, you have to do like this. Let's go. Barrier. Let's go a barrier.
No, we are hungry.
You are hungry.
So hungry.
This is the last one. Huh? We prepare our stomachs for something. Eh? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. How should it sound when it jumps over the water? Chimbu.
What is it? Chimburu?
How does it let us work with Tumbuli. Yes, let us work with Tumbuli. Yes, that is French. Tumbuli. So let's go Tumbuli. Yes. Let's go. Tumbuli. Let's go. Tumbuli. So when I say right turn, you just right turn. Left turn, horse racing, upright. Alright, let's go horse racing.
You say the horse racing is upright?
Yes, upright. You.
Oh.
Belly.
Oh.
Horse racing. Left turn, right turn, left turn, right turn. Horse racing. Barrier. These are not horses. Barrier. Barrier. Some water. You. So what happens when I say finish? You have to give your neighbor a high five or give them a hug. If they are huggable, high five. I don't know. So let's go. Horse racing. Left turn, right turn. Horse racing. Barrier. A barrier. Some water. I final 100 meters. Horse racing. I'm not saying finish. Horse racing. Finish.
Nalimanya only one touch kubanga banji bamenya mu first half naye wakubira woziri zikwakwa baby zikwakwa tuli mu myaka yali one night nga buli lwenzu kukayiwa my first sight yegwe wakula loke zali tight baby zi tight ene wange nasibayo emwezi 10 wange za mubanda. Yeah, there's no way, no, you're my baby. I do believe in Jah, I do believe in God, yeah. Sabalukaba, ulewole mube wange. I do believe in God, I do believe in Jah, yeah. Sabalukaba, ulewole mube wange. I'm gonna celebrate you like Christmas. Yenda kupendo yite Jesus. Lero ketonye gwake. Bachimanyi yegwe kantu kange. I'm gonna celebrate you like Christmas. Yenda kupendo yite Jesus. Lero ketonye gwake. Bachimanyi yegwe kantu kange. Wamalayo nze. Kuba manye kwa chikata. Nina weseta gadata. Baby, nakadata. I don't believe in God. I don't believe in Jah, yeah. Salukama, uli mube wange. I don't believe in God. I don't believe in Jah, yeah. Salukama, uli chance nakupenda. I wanna hold you tight from the morning till the night. Oh, auntie, auntie, when you touch me, all I can see is your loving. Potato me when your body, oh my baby, it's amazing. Auntie, auntie, when you touch me, all I can see is your loving. Moyo nafsi, when now I see you gon' be my baby, be my honey, be my sugar. You gon' be my baby, oh, you gon' be my baby, be my honey, you gon' be my lady, you gon' be my baby, oh, baby nyami figi, okwa muna yogi. Olo machuku na kose yode Nairobi. I wanna be the only one that you're calling Delhi. What am I got to do to call you my lady? Oh, when you